Hey there, everybody. Sean with Zero to Income here, and your mission, should you decide to accept it, is getting more email addresses. Yes, you heard that right. How do we get more email addresses? And I'm doing this video because, believe it or not, I know how important it is to build your list. I know that. And yet, if you look back on previous videos, you will see that I just give stuff away. I just share the link. You want some free code? Here's the link to the code on my Google Doc. Would you like a new free website template? Here's the link to the website template, and I just give it away without getting your name and email address. And yeah, I know not everybody wants to give their name and email address, and yeah, that might be a drag. But at the same time, I think that I give away stuff regularly enough that why not put it all in one spot? Number one, it's going to make it very, very easy for you to come back to and find when you want it. And number two, it's going to make it very, very easy for me to come back to and find it when I want it, because I use this stuff all the time. I use my own code. We've got a template that we will be sharing here. It's a business script template. Both Dana and I use it all of the time. So it just makes sense to have some kind of a page set up that has all of these free resources all together. And why not create an opt-in page that will allow you to share your name, share your email, and get access to this page. And that's why I created this new funnel. Super, super simple. I mean, we're talking stupid simple. It's nothing fancy. If you look at it, we just got our logo and then a little blurb on, how it's going to make your life better, what you're going to get in it. And again, right now at this point, we only have custom code snippets, and you'll see that here in a minute. We only have 2 of them, but I'm going to go back through my YouTube videos and just go through. Anytime I give something away, I'm going to go ahead and pop that onto this free page, and then I'll pop the link in for this landing page there instead of the link to the Google Doc or the link to the free website template. And then you have just a form here. This is the landing page. So if you come to this page and you sign in here and fill this out and put in your first name and email, and you click on send me my toolbox, then that's going to take you to this thank you page. Simple thing again. We've got our logo up there. Quick little heading here. Thank you for your interest. I've got a little thank you video here that I created. And then the whole point of this is to let you know what to expect. Lets you know that the email is going to be coming from Zero to Income with a space bar in the middle and then mailing list. And then it's going to come with the subject line here of your name. Here is the toolbox you were interested in. And then you're going to have also in that email, there's going to be a preview that's going to say access the website templates, custom CSS, and email templates you requested. And then, of course, another little quick checkbox here for if you don't see the email, go ahead and check your spam folder. And of course, I didn't put that here, but of course, make sure that you mark our stuff safe so that you can get future emails from us. And then you'll get an email, and that email is going to provide a link to the page with all of the resources, which is right now this page. And again, very, very simple, just page. This is going to have an intro video that's already there. And then from there, our next section is going to be the custom code snippets. And again, this is all stuff that Dana and I at Zero to Income will be developing and adding to on a regular basis. We will continue creating and providing free tools for you, which you will be able to find on this page. Now, if you scroll down, our very first code that we offer is this auto scrolling image carousel. And if you watch this video, you'll see that, again, system does have an image carousel element. However, it's not auto scrolling. You have to click to go from picture to picture. And so you can copy the code and add that to your system.io website. Same thing here. If you wanted to have auto scrolling testimonials, you can now sign up for this free tool, and then you can come to the page after you've gotten the email with the link, and you can copy the code for the auto scrolling testimonial carousel and add that to your site. Now, again, if we go back over to here, it says there's going to be email templates and website templates, and there will be new sections here for those as well. But that's it for now. The whole point here, again, is to make sure that you're getting email addresses. So again, your mission, should you accept it, is to go out there and create a landing page and provide a resource for your audience that's going to give them value so that you can grab their name and email and continue giving. And if you're liking this video, we have a whole playlist on system.io playlist that is available to you. Thanks for watching.